how to fix SIM card not showing SIM card no service issue. Hello everybody, if your SIM card is not being detected or you're experiencing no service issue, you may follow up this step. So the first thing is you may head over to your device, open up your device, go to your settings, and then look for your connections. Just go ahead and open it up, and from connections go over to SIM card manager. So the thing is, if you have your SIM card here like this, the thing you can do is you can just go ahead and remove the SIM card and reinsert it either digitally like this by enabling and disabling your SIM card here, or just go ahead and do it physically. Just go ahead and remove the SIM card and reinsert it, and ensuring it's securely seated in the tray. After that, the thing is you need to have a clean SIM card with you can use a soft cloth in order to clean if there is any kind of dust or debris. So just go ahead and do that and inspect the SIM card for damage and contact your carrier for a replacement if necessary. The next thing you can do is you can restart your device as well. Just long press on your power button and look for the restart option, as simple reboot can often resolve software glitches. After that, you may just go ahead and turn on the airplane mode and turn it off as well. So drop down your notification bar and you may look for the flight mode option. After that, you can just go ahead and turn this option on and wait for a few seconds and turn it off again to force your phone to search for a new network. You can even reset your network. So for that, head over to your device's settings and then go over, look for the search bar in the top and type in network settings. Just go ahead and do that and tap on this reset network settings. Look for this one right here and tap on reset network settings and reset your network settings of your device. Another thing is, so you may head back to your main settings again, scroll down and look for software update and ensure your phone software is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes cause issues. So this is it for now. You may follow this method. Otherwise, if none of those above steps work, it may be a hardware issue. So visiting a repair center is concerned or recommended if that is not working. So that is it for now. You may follow up that method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.